In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a bounce back coupon code. Now, a bounce back coupon code is a coupon code that's created automatically for you whenever your clients place an order over a certain size. So to get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab and then into the Sales and Coupons page. On the Sales and Coupons page, we're going to click Create New Sale or Coupon Code. We're going to select to create a bounce back coupon code, and then we can either select to create a coupon code for a specific amount or for a percentage off. We're going to go ahead and create this one for a percentage off, so I'll click Create New. And at the top it asks you for a name for the bounce back coupon code. This is a name that your clients won't see, so you can make it anything that you'd like. In this example, I'm just going to call it bounce back coupon code. And then it says create coupons for orders at least this large. Now this is the setting you want to pay attention to, because any order that your client places that's this size or larger will create a coupon code for them that they can use within the next 24 hours. So I'm going to say any order that they place that's over $250, I'm going to create a 50% off coupon for them on any following order that they create that's over a specific amount. In this case, I'll say over $100. We can add another discount here if we'd like, and I can say give them 25% off anything over $50. That way, once they've placed an order for $250, they'll get a coupon code that's good for 50% off a $100 order or 25% off of a $50 order. Here we set how long we'd like the coupon code to be created for. For example, I might have my coupon codes being created only for the month of August, and so I'll give it an expiration date of August 31st. If I want to limit the coupon code creation to a specific gallery, I enable this option and select the galleries that the coupon code should be created on. Otherwise, I can leave it blank, and all of the galleries will automatically have their bounce back discount codes created for them. We'll click Save here. And now that the page is refreshed, we can see that there's a bounce back coupon code that I just created. Clicking on it will show you the details for that code. And now anytime one of your clients places an order between now and the expiration date that you set here that's over this size, they'll receive a coupon code good for the amounts that you've set up at the top. And that's how the bounce back coupon codes work. Shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com if you have any questions.